It's fully eco, and purpose of designing eco and amphitheater for any kind of meeting and open debates. If they arrange, there is no need of using mic and speaker. Without using mic and speaker, we can use this theater. This side is for the public, and this side is for the officials, the public. In the middle, there is a podium for the speaker. In the middle, he has given one frame also. The idea was that previously, when it was assembled in 1985, that time the view of Shivalik Hills was very clear behind the hand. The thought was that when you come and take the picture, those hills should be into the frame, and over that is like a flying bird, as a flying bird in the sky. So this was the concept behind. When pressure comes on thumb and the wind pushes the thumb, then it moves.
But with the wind so
With the help of the wind.
With this heavy.
It's a heavy, but still there is a ball bearing. The mechanism is hollow from inside. There is a ball bearing inside. With the help of the ball bearing, it moves.
Thank you.
And we can use it. Very good. So the second reason was that as we have court very near to it, so if we want to solve any small issues openly, just we can sit together and we can have that. Also, this is the region you can see the boxes. Those में box बने हुए दीवारों में उनको बोलते हैं law box. Law box अगर इसके दोनों साइड है, opposition साइड है और दूसरी है, तो दोनों जैसे मान लो ऑफिशियल्स हैं, ऑफिशियल्स अपने रीडिंग जितना मटेरियल उसमें रख सकते हैं, जो पब्लिक है अपना रीडिंग मटेरियल उसमें रखें, तो जो भी वो डिबेट करना चाहते हैं तो डिबेट रीजनली पिछले साल हमें जो पिछले साल 2023 में ओपनली डिबेट हुई थी पोल्यूशन पे, ओपनली कोर्ट लगा था। ओके जी, ये स्टिल इन यूज है।
अच्छा सर, ये भी बता दो सोनम सर को कि ये कैपिटल कॉम्प्लेक्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट ऑल, जो है जो यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज है, जो पूरा बता दो।
या सो ये कैपिटल कॉम्प्लेक्स को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज की जो डिक्लेरेशन 2016 में मिली थी, क्योंकि ये ली कर्बुसियर के दो जो स्विस फ्रांस आर्किटेक्ट है, जिनका ओरिजिनल नेम था चार्ल्स एडवर्ड जेनरे, सो उनके द्वारा ये डिज़ाइन किया गया था। इवन इंटायर चंडीगढ़ आल्सो द टाउन प्लानिंग इज आल्सो डन बाय Le Corbusier. So Le Corbusier was not the first architect, he was the second. First was the Albert Mayer and Matthew Vicky. Land was selected by the Indian officials, and Matthew Vicky he came for the especially came for designing the buildings, and Le Corbusier for town planning and sorry, Albert Mayer he did the town planning. Matthew Vicky designed the buildings. What happened, just work was about to start, and unfortunately Matthew Vicky he died in aeroplane crash. When Matthew Vicky died in aeroplane crash, so in September 1950, and then secondly the plan was given to the Swiss France architect Le Corbusier. When Corbusier came and he started doing work, so the first started from the Capitol complex, and Chandigarh designed as a human body, where we have the Capitol complex as the head of the city, education as a right hand, industry is like a left hand, and the middle road from where you travel, that is like a spinal cord. All that parks are like a lungs of the body, and trees and roads are like a veins. So this was the design of the Chandigarh.
Wonderful.
Very nice. Trees and roads are like a veins of the body. Nothing.
We are fortunate that we are in Chandigarh.
You said something about dove.
या इस लाइक ए डव, अगर हम इसको ध्यान से देखते हैं, उस साइड से हम चलते हैं, उस साइड से हम देखेंगे तो आपको कबूतर की तरह उड़ता हुआ देखेगा। तो क्या हुआ कि हमारे इंडिया की एक सभ्यता है कि हम कुछ भी ऑफिशियल फेस्टिवल करें, जब कुछ भी, तो हम कबूतर छोड़ते हैं। सिंबल ऑफ फ्रीडम, सिंबल ऑफ फ्रीडम, पीस, या पीस आल्सो एंड फ्रीडम आल्सो।
Nicely explained.
सर उस साइड में सर
This is UNESCO World Heritage.
Yes, this is a part of the UNESCO World Heritage.
Latest, one of the latest.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of Chandigarh Tourism, we welcome you all.
Thank you very much.
Questions, please. 50